Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notion in your computer in a very simple way. Notion combines notes, tasks, databases, and wikis all in one app. So how you can simply download it? Very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and you can simply search for Notion download. Click on that and you can simply click on the Notion desktop app for Mac and Windows. Click on that and then you can simply click on download for Windows. Click on download and as you can see the download has been started. After complete the download, you can simply click on this folder icon and here you can simply click on it 2 times to install. Click on the more info and run anyway, and you can simply minimize all of your background tab over here. And as you can see installing, please wait. After that, the Notion is rightly opened in front of you. You can simply log in through your Google, Apple, Microsoft, any of your accounts. Just simply select it. Click continue. And open Notion. Here it is. It's rightly opened. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install Notion in your computer. You can simply select any of your preferences. I want to use it for my personal life, and you can simply click on continue and do a lot of functionality with this. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.